Dongo, Chief Justice, Olanya, and Otono, or something like that. Dongo over or Dongoto.
I greet you, my brothers and sisters. I would like to clarify on few issues that were raised by the Balaalo. Now, the Balaalo are claiming that they are being targeted and the eviction is being done on a tribal basis. I would like to state it categorically clear that none and no one in northern Uganda is targeting Acholi. This eviction has nothing to do with tribal basis. Currently, we have very many non-Acholis who are living within Acholi land. They bought chunk of land and they are cultivating, they are living very peacefully with our community. So we are not targeting any tribe, and this eviction has nothing to do with the tribal sentiment. What we are looking at and what the president is talking about is the animal-human conflict. Your animals are destroying people's crops. It has become very difficult to continue living together with you because of your arrogancy, indiscipline, and disrespect to the neighboring people. Aware that land used for rearing animals for long becomes non-productive. So your animals are grazing everywhere. So you want the Acholi people to be the most poorest, as the statistics is saying. So please, don't tag the tribal issues onto this eviction. The president is very clear. You recall, the president gave you warning in 2023 that first you need to fence your land, have your own water sources, make sure your animals are controlled. But because of the arrogancy, the indiscipline, you think you are untouchable. You defied the presidential order. So this is the time. Don't tuck the tribal sentiment onto your logic. Number two, you are claiming that you are coming to Acholi sub-region have changed the economy of our people. Can I ask you, how rich are the people from where you came from? Can you quantify the amount of wealth in that area where you came from? Please, who are you fooling? Who are you fooling? You have changed the economy in Acholi. I thought by changing the economy in the foreign land, you shall have done it from your home where you came from. And if truly you are the richest people, why are you wandering, moving around, looking for pastures for your animal? I thought you would be using your wealth to survive far much better than sleeping in the bush the way you are. So please, tell us, how rich are the people from where you came from? Because you cannot come from the poor place and you change the economy in other area. Please, let us stop joking. Let us try to be factual and focus for what is good for our people. And the manner you bought our land, you are dealing with few people. Before coming to northern Uganda, you should have studied the land tenure system. You should have known how the land in northern Uganda is the customary land, the communal land does not belong to an individual. You are dealing with few individuals. You claim that you have bought your land. That is out. Aware that there is a recent court ruling. Court rule, there's a judgment that anyone who bought the customary land, that person has wasted his or her money. So before moving to an area, let it be a lesson to you. Try to study the nature of that area. Then you go and you start injecting your money. So please, this is a lesson. I pray that you follow the presidential directive. I've been monitoring the eviction of the Balaalo. I would like to appreciate the 4th Division Commander, Major General Felix, my RDC, and the gallant sons and daughters, the UPDF, who are in the bush doing the exercise. This is the best time. And the moment we continue the way we are, looking at the influx of Balaalo into the Acholi land, I'm telling you, in 10 to 15 years to come, our land shall be replaced by non-Acholi. Many of you claim that you transferred, you shifted everything from where you came from. Now you have got your heaven. Please follow the presidential order and go. I've seen some of you claiming that you have nowhere to go. Your claim is just a mockery. You have nowhere to go. Many of you came to northern Uganda barely 5 years ago. And all of you are above 18 years. Some of you are 60s, 50s, 70s. You are very old. And shamelessly, you are telling us that you have nowhere to go. Where did you come from? Please, where did you come from? Is that one your customary land? Don't talk to attract sympathy. You have somewhere where you came from. When time comes, pack your animal, take them where you came from. You have your land. The Almighty God is not foolish. God made a portion that let the people of northern Uganda sit there. For you, the foreigners who come from Tanzania, DRC, Rwanda, where, be there. That is what God has done. You cannot come and start telling us that you have nowhere to go. That is out. You have somewhere to go. Go where you came from. And government need to be serious. I recall sometimes back, the Balaalo from Tanzania, DRC, settled somewhere in the western part of this country. And now you are not talking about those people, and those people all disappeared. It means you directed them to go to Acholi land intentionally. Please make sure you remove them. Make sure you remove them away. Let them take their animals from where they came from. I would like to appreciate the army officers who are respecting the presidential directive. General Salim Saleh, we are really so grateful. You have shown a very good example for removing away your animals from Nyamukino and other generals from the side of Balaalo. We are happy. This is an indication that you love this country and you love the Acholi community. When the fountain of honor speaks, let his words be respected. Let the animals go as per now. This is the way to go. The president cannot speak and you keep quiet. And looking at it critically, look at the places where the Balaalos are concentrating. The key information we are receiving is that majorly they are concentrating on the areas where there are minerals. We have fear that this one might be one of the ways of grabbing our land and denying the Acholi community the royalties. We have the prospective buyers. You come with your money, you play with the psychology of our people, you buy that land. When you know that there are minerals underneath. So please, this is not how we run this country. At this time, pack your animals and go. Yesterday, I saw few individuals call themselves Balaalos, moving in front of Parliament, shouting, mentioning names of the Chief Justice, Olanya, Udongoto. I would like to say that is out. And don't think, never insinuate that the three people are speaking for only the three people. The three are representing hundreds and thousands of people of northern Uganda. Thousands of people of northern Uganda. And we are looking at the plight of our people. Don't think that if you come in front of Parliament, you shed tears, you cry, and you are attracting the sympathy of people. That is out. Do you know how many actually women are crying? When your animals move out there, destroy our crops, our women are crying more than you. Do you know when you block the path to water source, how a woman is crying in Acholi? Do you know the kind of conflict you are inflicting onto our people? I would like to say your cry was just the camera cry. But the women in Acholi, thousands of them, are having what we call the real cry. People are so bitter, people are so angry. Please, stop that kind of pretense. You cannot come in front of Parliament and you start crying. Never. And stop mentioning our name. We are speaking on the behalf of the Acholi community. Our land is our land. And I've seen you. Now you are having meetings everywhere in Kampala. Now you are meeting my fellow brothers and sisters from Acholi, trying to bribe them and tell them what they are supposed to do. That is madness. You are now saying that you are going to deal with some characters in Acholi. Who are you? You have just come into our land. Now you want to start directing us on what to do. Instead of we, the Acholis, directing you on what to do. Please stop that kind of intimidation. You cannot intimidate us onto our land. We were born in Acholi, we shall die in Acholi, and we shall be buried there. You cannot come because you have money, you brag, and you think that you are very powerful. That is out. So please, the UPDF, continue with the operation. make sure the operation is completed successfully. The people whose lands were occupied by Balaalo, go and start reclaiming your land. Begin working onto your land. Let your land become productive again. Aware that land used for rearing animals for long becomes unproductive. So it's not yet too late. Go and start reclaiming your land. Start working onto your land. Ladies and gentlemen, let us be focused. Let it be clear that we are fighting the animal-human conflict. We are not chasing away anybody from Acholi sub-region. We have very many people who are cultivating, very many people who bought land, very many people who are living peaceful life with the Acholi community. We are not segregative, we are not discriminative, and we stand for the truth. So please, and more so, have you ever seen anybody from northern Uganda moving to other part of the country, buying 10,000 hectares of land and pouring animals there? Even near 10,000 or 1,000 or 100. Have you ever seen anyone doing that? So please, let us stop fooling ourselves. We are following and we are monitoring critically what is going on. And we shall not allow our people to be interfered with. I thank you.